taking a little trail over here. No, go this way. That looks like it's full of ticks. I'd prefer to go the way that I can not get a bunch of ticks on me. I can hear the waterfall. Pretty! Oh my gosh, y'all. I can see it. I gotta be super careful. We don't want to slip and fall. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. There comes a time in everyone's life. All you can see all the years passing by. Oh, look at the butterfly. Cool. Look at this shit. This is super cool. Look at this little cave. Somebody be camping over here. Come on, Dizzle, this way. Let's go look at the waterfall. Mommy wants to really see this waterfall up close. Spiders and mosquitoes and holy fuck. Wow. This is amazing. Look at this. This is fucking beautiful. Look at this hidden little gem. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Roro, no. Are you on a doggy adventure? So this is the most amazing fucking view. Yes! I am loving my life right now. I really didn't think I would. I thought I'd be super stressed out, but you can't beat this, bro. Can't beat this. Me and Roro are on an adventure. Oh, Roro, are we on an adventure? Fucking beautiful. I think I'm being eaten alive by mosquitoes, but it's so worth it. So worth it. Gorgeous. Are you having fun, Roro? missing you, Roxy? Oh, buddy, I'm sorry. I know you miss her. What are you here, Abdera? We're on a little adventure. Go. Come on. Come on. This way. Come on. Look at this cool cave we just found. It's like not far from the waterfall. People be camping and shit. This is sick. I would camp here. I would totally camp here. I love this. We're having an outdoor adventure. I love this freaking thing. I could just walk around with him and not have to worry about it. Alright, y'all. We are visiting my friend Diane before we leave. Roro's been trying to leave since we got here. He does not want to be here. She had a little dog that scared the crap out of him. It was hilarious. So that's what we're doing, and then we're on the road to Arkansas. It's gonna be an adventure. 8.5 hours plus. So I'm sitting at this Love's dog park in, what did it say? Something Mississippi, Williams or something? I don't know, I'm in Mississippi. And yeah, just letting Roro go pee, but he does not want to. He just wants to leave. He's like trying to leave the whole time. So I'm just trying to give him a second to stretch his legs before we get back in the car. I'm gonna run into this gas station and go pee.